welcome to the video. Today I'm creating a makeup look for going out on a picnic. The jury is still out on whether or not I'm going to bring the camera, so I'm going to throw in some other makeup tips and tricks in this video just in case. But onto the makeup look. I started out by taking the eyeshadows in the shades called Innocence and Brownie Points, and I actually mixed them together to create a softer brown for all over the lid. And this is actually a really great way to expand your eyeshadow collection, is if you mix your lighter and darker eyeshadow colors together, you'll create a whole brand new color. Then I went in with Brownie Points and I applied that into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes just a little bit to add some depth. Then I went in with Innocence to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bone. I'm having some allergies right now, so I really wanted to brighten up my eyes. And that brings me to eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I actually used the deep navy. And this is because, well, a couple reasons. One, I always like adding a pop of color. It's always fun. But blue will help distract a little bit from redness. So if you have any redness in your eyes, this is a great thing you can do. And my little tip with this would be to take an angled eyeliner brush, and after you line your eyes, go in with the brush and blend that out. It'll soften the color a little bit just so it's not so like in your face, but you'll still have a pop of color. Then I finished off the eyes by applying the Lash Project Mascara. Sometimes I do one coat, sometimes I do two, but this time I did 3 coats of this to really, give me some bold lashes, or bolder lashes. Then for the lips, because I'm going to be wearing a red lipstick, I went in with a lip liner first, and I used the shade called Natural because it's not going to change the color of the lipstick too much, and it kind of blends in with my natural lip color. And then I applied the Red Apple Red lipstick. And I wanted my lips to be a little bit more of a stain, so I applied the lipstick and then I went in with my lip brush to blend that out. And I also, behind the scenes, I went in with my finger and I kind of, massaged the color into my lips, and this creates more of a stained look, which when I'm gonna be like eating and drinking and talking and mingling, I want my lipstick to stay put, so I kind of like to create more of a stain with my lipsticks. So that's what I did today. This color is gorgeous. I will go ahead and do a swatch so you can see what it looks like in its full glory. It is gorgeous. It is definitely more of a pinky red. It's not an orangey red, but I wouldn't necessarily say that it's cool toned either. Pink can be warm as well. It kind of just depends on if it has more purpley tones to it, but because this is like a pinky red, I definitely would still consider this to be on the warmer side of colors. It's definitely more of like a brighter red, especially in comparison to like Happily Ever After. Anyway, I wanted to also take a moment to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and take care. Bye!